Hey, welcome to one of my how-to videos. Today we're going to show you how to apply thermal paste to your processor and how to add a processor to your motherboard actually. Well, right here you see it's a micro ATX motherboard that we're using here. And before you apply any kind of processor, always check the specs of the board online or on the box, wherever you want the socket type of the board. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to get thermal paste. I like to add peanut butter, okay? Fucking peanut butter. So we're going to do, we're going to fucking multi. Okay. So, we're going to go, we're going to take this, right? We're going to apply gently on the motherboard. Take this, and we're going to apply it gently. Apply it gently, like that. And then, yeah, look at that. Like that. Peanut butter in my mouth. Peanut butter. Tune in next week, and I'll show you how to masturbate into a bowl of fruit. Look, I give me freaking water. My eyes are freaking burning. Peanut butter.